Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management. Join our free workshop on steps to crack Feb MAT 2023 on December 28, 2022 at 7 p.m. to start preparing now if you intend to take the MAT test in 2023. The MAT test is given many times a year. The MAT 2023 exams preliminary round will take place in Feb 2023. Key MAT preparation tactics and ideas have been prepared by Firebird Institute to assist applicants. The MAT exam pattern, curriculum, test structure, question paper, month-by-month exam preparation plan, section-by-section exam preparation plan, and exam day advice are all available here on 28th December at 7 p.m. Understanding the MAT exam structure is the first step in preparing. The MAT offers 3 different test modes: computer-based test, paper-based, and internet-based test. When applying for the MAT, candidates have the option of selecting their preferred exam method. The MAT examination is structured similarly to other MBA admission tests with a certain number of MCQs to be answered in a set amount of time. Firebird teaches the applicant time management techniques, tips, and shortcuts for answering questions more quickly and accurately. MAT test practice tests help the candidate become ready for the real exam. It aids in evaluating one's strengths and flaws as well. Don't forget to join us on 28th December at 7 p.m. Register through the link given in the description box or contact 8870046080 for joining this webinar. All the best.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.